Right here? No, you can't have.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Who the fuck ate mommy cakes from the Asian market? Who ate them?
Banjo. Are you hungry?
A little small bite. A small bite.
Luca, are you eating your feelings?
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no.
If you have something to say, say it to Dad's face.
Didn't I just say leave it alone? Benji, stop eating that. Stop trying.
Oh, did you hurt your foot?
No te voy a dañar con su... Es lo que quería.